gonna draw today Apple Blue from My Little Pony. We have done this drawing on iPad, but you can do this on a paper as well. Once you have an outline, then you use any dark pen to go over the outline. Ta-da! There's your drawing! Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now we will do a quick colouring. Thanks for watching this video. Consider subscribing. We are uploading drawing and colouring videos very regularly. If you like this video, then give us a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next drawing and colouring video.